Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to create a Discord server. So if you want to create a new Discord server but you don't know how you can do it, so watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Discord mobile application and log into your account. To create a server, you don't need to log in to your account by using the desktop version or the web version. You can easily do it on the mobile phone. Once you will do it, here you will see three lines on the left top. You have to click on it, and here you will see a plus icon on the second last. You have to click on it. Now you have to select a category. So simply you can choose a template, or you can create your own server. So I simply click on my create my own server. Now you have to select for me and my friends, for a club or a community. It is up to you. I simply select for me and my friends. Now you have to add server name, and you have to upload a server picture by tapping on this plus icon. Once you will do it, you can simply click on the create server and your server will be created. Now you can invite your friends by sharing this link to your friend. It's up to you. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.